LEVITRONIX PureLev pumps are used in demanding bioprocessing applications. Based on active magnetic levitation, the pump impeller is suspended and driven by the magnetic field of the motor. The wide gap ensures that no cells or proteins are damaged, making LEVITRONIX the most gentle pump. Also, there is no wear, and therefore, no particle generation. PureLev pumps are intrinsically safe, as in the case of deadhead, there is no pressure buildup. A high turn-down ratio enables a very wide flow range, all pulsation-free. Additionally, as there is no wear, PureLev pumps are ideal for continuous processing. An easy and safe exchange of the disposable pump head saves time, and the footprint is significantly smaller compared to conventional pump systems. From media preparation to purification, from lab to production scale, PureLev pumps will help improve your yield. LEVITRONIX, better pumps for better yield.